Online taxi services like Ola and Uber have now become more expensive. So if you're someone who uses Ola or Uber on a regular basis, you may want to know that the government has recently revised taxi fares across the state. The fares have been revised following a recent protest by various driver associations in Bengaluru, pointing out discrepancy in the tariff offered for rides by private online cab service providers like Ola and Uber. The demand has been growing louder after an airport driver registered with the Karnataka State Tourism Department Corporation killed himself due to financial crisis. But this is not the only reason behind the price hike. The government cited the rise in fuel prices, operational and maintenance costs, and several other factors as reasons behind this fare revision. The latest order by the Department of Transport has led to fares witnessing a hike from 35% to 92%. Earlier, travelling under 4 kilometers used to cost Rs 44, but now it has been revised to 75. Now, this price is for micro or mini. For luxury taxis, this price has been revised to 150, which earlier was only 80. So, here are the answers to some of the questions you have in your mind. So, will the long distance cab rides be affected? Well, yes. Price slab for up to first 4 kilometers for every trip remains fixed. The charges for each kilometer you take after that can range between a slab of minimum and maximum fares that the government has provided. The minimum fare for each subsequent kilometer should be in the range of Rs 18 to 27. The maximum tariff is set at a price per kilometer range of Rs 36 to Rs 5. Now, will you be paying tax now or will it be included in the fare? This will depend on the company that particular cab is linked to. It will be their call. The recent order, however, does permit the companies to collect toll and GSTs from passengers, while some online aggregators include the toll rate within the final fare itself. Some chose to waive off the amount in certain instances. Will the revised prices be applicable only in Bangalore? No. The order states that the new tariff is applicable across cities in Karnataka where cab aggregators are present to provide services. Will there be any difference in the price based on how much time each trip takes? Well, no. The price charged for the trip will be based only on the kilometers covered, not on the time taken for each trip. This would put an end to peak hour pricing when passengers were forced to pay more during peak hours when the traffic on the road is more than usual. Moreover, you won't be asked to pay anything as waiting charge for the first 20 minutes. After 15 subsequent minutes, driver can charge Rs 10.